Unit 4, naming the interval. So when you see stepping, it's line and space. That's why we call it second, because there's only 2 keys here. When you see they stick together, you stick your finger together. And this is about motion. Traffic jam second. So if you see they are one down, one up, you have to feel they go inward. And then upward, in, outward. So, for example, traffic jam start from the pinky. So you're gonna feel you go move inward and upward. Ready, set, go. Inward, then upward, inward, outward. Later we're gonna play repeat with the recording. Start from right hand, second, left, second, left, right, left. Now this is moving similar motion, so you go to the down the left. You feel the motion go to the left when it's written the same direction as down. In the